Teresa Lokmane.
Oh, now we can hear their music.
Yes!
There we go.
Wow, we're so fancy. But
More fans.
Lokman saw me and said, "Hi, nice to meet you. Who are you?" I said, "I know."
Hello. Who is he? Hello,
Look, they got a spread over there at the Clap household. There's
I know.
Yeah, did you see Jamie made those dates? Chocolate dates?
Well, yeah, but I was making all my stuff this afternoon for dinner.
We have half and half. We have part of it this morning, part the
Third bottle during this wedding.
Sure. And Bubba's here too. He's the cat of the day.
There we go. Cute.
Cat of the day.
Cat of the day.
Cat of the day. Since Lookman's a fan of cats, there's Bubba for you. Bubba, look
That's
up,
right.
please. There you go.
Hey, there's Rosie.
Hi. Wow.
Everyone is great. Teresa, we just want to wish you a very, very merry wedding. My goodness. Oh, what the heck? I'm actually a little emotional right now over the Zoom call.
Love you guys. Thank you for coming.
Love you.
Love you. Yay! Everyone smile. Yeah.
We took photos with our dates and milk. We redid it about 50 times. I don't know if you guys saw.
That was
Many
perfect.
dates, a lot of milk.
Lots of dates.
Goat's milk. Goat's milk.
I'm ready.
Ooh. Go spin.
No, I'm not spinning. No, I'm not a good spinner.
Well, he was teasing. They were teasing each other because, you know, the groom is supposed to give the bride a big gift the day of the wedding.
Yeah.
And so Dad said, give her a bushel of lentils.
First, I thought goats would be a good thing.
Yeah, he laughed at goats.
Goats is not a bad idea.
I still think we should build them one of those when they come out here.
I think so too.
Totally.
Are you supposed to match her outfit?
Yeah, she said this woman, that's her, like her duties. They hired her. She comes in, she does the henna, she dresses her, she makes sure that throughout the day she looks
Sharp.
picture perfect.
Put together.
And that's why I said Ricky and I want one of those.
Right?
Right?
Every day. I need one every day.
Okay, get in the picture, babe. Okay, everybody smile. Oh, dang. Dang, he moved.
Say, anticipate.
I know, right?
Everybody stay smiling.
Yeah, right? It's free.
You're White and Kenny, they've got it nailed down.
It looks frozen. I like it. I was in charge of one thing, family photo. Everybody come back. Get in it, babe. All right, we need the girls. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Everybody look. Oh my gosh, does it get any better? She was sitting on her throne.
Exactly.
Maşallah, maşallah, maşallah,
was beautiful. Thanks for letting us share.
Come on.